Hey there, Dr. Crypto here with another Filecoin update. So, before I start, I hope everybody's having a great weekend wherever you are in this world. And also, if you want to sign up to Crypto.com's app or to Tap Global's app, there is links down below. So, give us a thumbs up, give us a subscribe. That's always much appreciated as always. So, let's get into what has Filecoin been up to. Wow, so Filecoin's been making some absolutely amazing moves at the moment, so we're looking at here, we're sitting at nice comfortably at around about $9.20. So we're coming up to this strong resistance area here, which is sort of between the $9 and the $10 area. So, but like if volume can come in and push it straight through, I can't see why we can't even get to about the $11 to $12. I'm expecting that what we could end up doing is bouncing off this resistance and maybe coming back down here to this support range around about the $7 and then making its way back up to that, $10, $11 to $12 mark. We're starting slightly on the weekly, getting extended on the stock RSI. So I'm expecting, like I said, we could expect a bit of a pullback, but you get these big impulsive moves, you're going to get some sort of correction at some point. It's all healthy. So I won't be surprised if we could, and it's never 100% guaranteed, we could end up coming back down to around about the $7 mark. But like I said, it's not guaranteed. All we know, it could turn around and end up going up to $11, $12, $20. You just don't know in the crypto market. Where you think it's going to go, it'll go completely opposite direction. So I've found that many times. But, there's a lot of... in terms of the community for Filecoin, there's a lot of people out there in support of it. I've heard people say it's never going to go back to its all-time high ever again, and nobody knows that. Absolutely nobody knows what's going to happen or where we're going to go. You can basically guess, and you can look at the charts and think, right, it's going to go there, and it might not work out that way, but it might do. And right now, I'm looking at it now. I've been accumulating since around about this level here, which is just coming up to around about $3, $4 and $5 areas. They're my accumulation. So I've taken little bits of profit off, but this is on my short-term trade. I do have a bag which is for my long-term. But yeah, these I've just been playing about with a little bit of trading money. Don't normally do it, but I thought I'll do it, and I've held on quite a bit, and then I've taken a little bit of profit, and then basically I've set buy orders around about the $6 to $7 area. So just in case, but it might not ever end up going back down there. We don't know, but I have done that anyway. But yeah, it's looking really, really healthy, Filecoin, and it's getting really quite a bit of momentum. The volume's come in, and it's looking pretty strong at the moment. So obviously we've got to see where Bitcoin's going to do. We've got the FOMC meeting information coming. I think it's a Tuesday or Wednesday. It's one of those days, so it's going to bring up a bit of volatility, maybe to the upside and downside. So like I said, I've put my buy orders there. Let's just see how that goes. So what is actually been kicking this off? Well, let's take a look and see what's been doing it. So Filecoin mentioned about the virtual machine. That's around about the September time. So it's basically just fell under the radar of a lot of people at the moment. Because as you can see, the Filecoin Singapore September 26th, that's when it was sort of mentioned. And now it's come to a fruition that it's coming around about March the 1st for the launch. So it says here, this is on CoinDesk, and it says here, FAL token rose sharply on Friday according to data from CoinMarketCap. The jump fueled social media excitement about the blockchain's March the 1st launch of the Filecoin virtual machine, the FVM, a software platform that will introduce smart contracts and enable to design a decentralized application on Filecoin network. So basically, it's just given about the price, at the moment, which I've just gone over. It wasn't immediately clear what prompted the rally. Twitter user Colin Wu, who tweets under the name Wu Blockchain, generated a buzz on the subject, sharing the news of the pump, along with the information about the network's up-and-coming smart contracts launch. to his more than 250,000 followers. The virtual machine addition to Filecoin render the network a fully fledged layer 1 blockchain. So another potential Ethereum killer. So the network announced that VVM's launch in September at the FL Singapore conference, which I mentioned was back in September, and it's like I said, it fell under the radar, promised the software platform would support an array of user programmable applications such as the perpetual storage replication and repair automation, and liquid staking through block awards. The platform has also the capability to support the collection of data, decentralized autonomous organizations, which would facilitate pay-per-view transactions and the creation of a Web3 games. So this is why it's getting really exciting. So it's not just about the storage, it's what else they're going to be building on this basically as a layer 1, potentially the NFTs and the Web3 gaming. And I'm wondering if it could end up coming down to AI. But, this is why people are starting to get hyped. Could Filecoin be the catalyst now to start to push the crypto altcoins up further? Could they be now kicking this off? Obviously, we've had a lot of coins that have gone up, but this is something pretty big, which is coming around on March. So there's going to be a lot of updates as we go along. So I'm expecting when these updates come up from Filecoin, it could well push the prices up because it sends a lot of hype, excitement, and that's what pushes the price up. So it also got like on the Twitter, Filecoin master plan: 1, build the world's largest decentralized storage network. 2, onboard and safeguard humanity's data. Well, that's a biggie. And 3, brings computer capability to the data, enable web scaling apps. Wow, it's looking pretty damn well exciting, and I'm glad I actually started buying at $3 and started building my stack up, because this is where things can get really exciting. Now, if we end up, Bitcoin carries on going up, and then obviously that's going to help push Filecoin even further, and then we get new announcements, new news coming through, and like I just said, that's potentially could start push the price up, because it's the excitement as well, and people like the excitement. People like when you see things like this happening. So I'm really, really excited. Could we go back to all-time high? You can't say no and you can't say yes. But time will tell. But even if it didn't, and it went to $100 or something like that, or even $120, $130, whatever. If you've been accumulating from £3 or $3, so to say, you're going to make some significant gains, but this is a project that it's building. This is a project also that has got the fundamentals, and they're doing it the right way. And also, this is a project that, you can store. So obviously they're probably making money from that as well. So, there's a lot of things going with Filecoin. And I think, this is going to really blow some people's minds and that. So it's a project that it's still at a low price. Like I said, at the moment, the price range, we're at $9.23. That is fairly low. So the market cap is up at 22.99. Volume's slightly down, but this is the weekend. But you always get a couple of people who are bearish, but maybe they missed the boat. But nobody's missed the boat, because at $9, and when you can look here, what was the all-time high? If we go further down here, so where was it now? So let's have a look here. It's trading volume yesterday, center low, all-time high was at $237, down 96%. The all-time low was $1.83. So, and that was 3 years ago. So we weren't that far off in this bear market. So, like I said, could we get to $237? We could well do that. But to me, Filecoin is looking pretty strong. It's looking pretty exciting. I'm glad I've got into it, and like I said, none of everything I say on here is financial advice. You always do your own research, your own due diligence. Never put more money in you're willing to lose. That's a 100% must. Do not do that. But I've been accumulating, like I said, down at the bottoms and just build it up, because nobody knows where the bottom is. We could end up going back down to $1 or something like that. You just don't know. But anyway. But that's why I've been accumulating, and I'm pretty excited about this project. So, if you like this kind of content, give us a thumbs up, give us a subscribe, and we'll see you soon in the next video. Take care.